you still feel vibrant inside. So why does the mirror say otherwise? It's not just aging, it's collagen loss. And it shows up as sagging skin, hollow cheeks, and wrinkles that deepen every week. But here's the truth. If your body isn't making collagen naturally, no cream or supplement will fix it. You're treating the surface, not the source. The good news? Dermatologists and longevity researchers now confirm that certain everyday foods can trigger your body's natural collagen revival, even after 60. In this video, you'll discover 6 of the most powerful ones. So hit subscribe and keep watching because your skin doesn't need another product. It needs the right food. Number 1. Bone broth, the collagen classic. Bone broth is one of the richest whole food sources of collagen naturally, helping to smooth wrinkles, firm sagging skin, and restore elasticity, especially around the eyes and neck. When bones are simmered slowly, they release collagen peptides, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, critical building blocks your body uses to make new collagen. Clinical studies show that consistent intake of bone broth can significantly improve skin moisture and firmness in adults over 60. Dr. Whitney Bowe, a leading integrative dermatologist, often recommends bone broth for aging skin because it delivers collagen in its most bioavailable form, without synthetic fillers or artificial additives. Mildred, 72, from Arizona, started drinking bone broth every morning after a dermatologist suggested it. Within 90 days, she noticed less creping on her chest and a visible lift along her jawline. She didn't change anything else, just the broth. For seniors, even sipping half a cup of warm bone broth a few times a week can make a difference. Just make sure it's long simmered and from grass-fed or organic bones. Keep watching because the next one is a dark leafy green that dermatologists secretly love for anti-aging. Number 2, watercress, the forgotten wrinkle fighter. Watercress is one of the most anti-aging greens on the planet, rich in antioxidants that promote glowing skin and natural collagen production. Packed with vitamins A and C, watercress helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the biggest culprits behind collagen breakdown. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition linked high antioxidant intake from greens like watercress with fewer visible wrinkles in older women. Dr. Joshua Ziegner notes that watercress helps neutralize free radicals, protecting skin cells and allowing collagen to rebuild naturally. It's often overlooked, but incredibly effective. Agnes, 68, added watercress to her lunch salads 3 times a week. After 2 months, her daughter commented that her skin looked brighter and more awake. It was the only change she made. Toss a handful of fresh watercress into soups or pair it with eggs for a collagen-smart breakfast. No pills, just food. Stay tuned, because food number 3 is something you might already eat, but most seniors aren't using it in the right way to restore youthful skin. Number 3, berries, small fruit, big glow. Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are loaded with vitamin C and polyphenol that help your body produce collagen naturally and fight off visible signs of aging. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen. Without enough of it, your body can't properly repair or build new collagen. A 2017 study in Nutrients found that older adults with high vitamin C intake had better skin texture and fewer signs of aging. Dr. Ellen Marmer calls berries a skin's best friend because they help prevent the breakdown of existing collagen while supporting the formation of new strands. Helen, 74, replaced her mid-morning crackers with a cup of mixed berries daily. Within weeks, She said her hands and face started looking less dull and more alive. Her friends thought she'd gotten a facial. Blend frozen berries into smoothies or simply snack on them fresh. If digestion is an issue, lightly steaming them still preserves benefits. Quick reminder before we go to the final two foods. If you've been enjoying this kind of senior smart, science-backed natural health info, be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment with your favorite anti-aging food so far. It helps the channel and helps others discover No Pill Zone. Coming up, a collagen-boosting nut you've never thought of, and a fermented secret from Japan that dermatologists quietly adore. Number 4. Black currants, the forgotten fruit that firms. You might walk right past this little berry in the grocery aisle, if you find it all. But black currants are one of the richest sources of vitamin C on the planet, with nearly 4 times the vitamin C of oranges. And why does that matter for seniors? Because after 60, your body's ability to produce collagen drops drastically, and vitamin C is the trigger your cells need to start that process. Without enough of it, even if you eat collagen-rich foods, your body can't build or repair what's needed. Black currants also contain anthocyanins, those deep purple antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, protect skin cells, and preserve elasticity. Exactly what you want if you're dealing with sagging, dry, or papery skin. One retired librarian in Pennsylvania shared how she started adding a spoon of blackcurrant powder to her yogurt every morning. "I didn't expect much," she said, "but by the 3rd week, even my daughter commented that my skin looked firmer, less tired." You don't need to eat them raw. Just look for blackcurrant juice, unsweetened, powdered extracts, or even dried berries to mix into oatmeal or smoothies. Keep watching, because the next one is even more surprising, and you probably already have it in your freezer. Number 5. Frozen edamame, the skin-strengthening soybean. These little green soybeans aren't just for sushi restaurants. Edamame is loaded with plant-based compounds called isoflavones, especially genistein, which helps stimulate collagen production while also blocking enzymes that break it down. For women over 60, this is key because estrogen levels decline with age, and estrogen is directly tied to skin thickness, moisture, and elasticity. Here's the twist. Studies show that postmenopausal women who eat soy regularly can actually reduce wrinkles and improve skin texture naturally, without hormones or injections. One 67-year-old viewer wrote to us after adding just half a cup of steamed edamame to her lunch salads. "I didn't expect miracles, but my skin around the mouth and eyes doesn't look as creased. I'm even wearing less foundation now." The best part? Edamame is easy. Just buy a frozen bag, steam a handful, and sprinkle a little sea salt or olive oil. It's affordable, accessible, and proven to work with time. Still with me? Because up next is a leafy green that works so well, it's being studied as a wrinkle-reducing superfood. Number 6. Morin leaves, the wrinkle-resistant green. Morin has been called the miracle tree, but what matters here is the leaf, especially in powdered form. Why? Because Morin is one of the most nutrient-dense greens on Earth, with 7x more vitamin C than oranges, high levels of vitamin A, and compounds that act as natural anti-aging agents. One lab study found that Morin helped fibroblast cells regenerate faster. These are the very cells responsible for collagen synthesis and skin repair. And here's what makes it senior-friendly. Morin is incredibly gentle on digestion, doesn't spike blood sugar, and is available in easy formats like teas, powders, and capsules. You don't need to overhaul your diet. Just stir half a teaspoon into your warm water in the morning. There's a beautiful story from a 72-year-old woman in Arizona who shared how she mixed Morin powder in her chamomile tea every night. After 2 months, I looked in the mirror and realized the crepey skin on my neck had changed. It wasn't gone, but it was softer, smoother. I hadn't touched a cream. This is the kind of slow, nourishing change that works with your body, not against it. So if you're over 60 and tired of complicated skincare routines, remember this. Sometimes the most powerful results come from the simplest habits. You don't need pills, pricey creams, or overnight miracles. You need consistency, real ingredients, and a little trust in nature. That's what we stand for here at No Pill Zone. If this video helped you rethink your skincare journey, let us know in the comments. And if you're ready for more natural solutions that actually work, from face oils to food remedies, make sure to hit subscribe, tap the bell, and share this with a friend who needs it. Aging isn't a problem to fix. It's a journey to honor, naturally. We'll see you in the next one.